Do you really need a workshop to keep your Porsche performing at its best, or are there daily habits that matter far more than most owners realize? Many Porsche drivers believe longevity depends only on scheduled maintenance, but the reality is different. The way you start, drive, and shut down your car every day has a much bigger impact than most dealer visits. In this episode, we'll uncover the daily habits that quietly reduce your Porsche's performance and lifespan, and how to fix them without tools, coding, or expensive diagnostics. Stay until the end, because I'll reveal the single habit that causes more long-term damage than aggressive driving ever will. Let's start with cold starts. Porsche engines are precision-built, with tight tolerances designed for performance. When you start the car and immediately push the engine hard, oil hasn't fully circulated yet. This increases friction on bearings, camshafts, and turbo components. The solution isn't waiting 10 minutes, it's simply driving gently for the first few minutes, keeping RPM low and throttle smooth until temperatures stabilize. Short trips are another silent enemy. Repeated short drives prevent the engine and exhaust from reaching optimal temperature. Moisture builds up inside the engine oil and exhaust system, accelerating internal wear over time. If your Porsche is mostly used for short distances, regular longer drives are essential to maintain engine health. Battery stress is one of the most misunderstood Porsche issues. Modern Porsches consume power even when parked. Leaving the car unused for several days without a maintainer leads to low voltage, warning messages, and electronic glitches. Many owners replace batteries unnecessarily, when the real issue is usage pattern, not battery failure. Tire pressure is often ignored, yet Porsche suspension geometry is extremely sensitive to it. Incorrect pressure affects steering precision, braking stability, and tire wear. Seasonal temperature changes alone can throw pressures off enough to alter driving feel and safety. Before we continue, if this kind of Porsche-specific knowledge helps you protect your car and avoid unnecessary repairs, subscribe to the channel. This series is built to save Porsche owners time, money, and frustration. Now here's the habit I mentioned at the beginning, shutting the engine off immediately after spirited driving. Doing this traps heat in critical components, accelerating oil breakdown and thermal stress. Letting the engine idle briefly before shutdown allows temperatures to normalize and dramatically reduces long-term wear. This habit alone can add years of life to your Porsche.
Many Porsche problems don't begin as mechanical failures. They begin as behavioral patterns. One of the most common is improper driving mode usage. Sport and Sport Plus modes are engineered for performance conditions, not daily commuting. Using aggressive modes constantly increases transmission stress, sharpens throttle response unnecessarily, and raises drivetrain temperatures. The fix is simple: use comfort or normal modes for daily driving, and reserve performance modes for when they're actually needed. Braking habits also play a major role. Porsche braking systems are designed to operate under load. Light, constant braking can cause uneven pad deposits, leading to vibration that feels like warped rotors. Periodic firm braking, done safely, helps keep braking surfaces clean and effective. Steering behavior is another overlooked factor. Holding the steering wheel at full lock during parking maneuvers puts sustained pressure on the power steering system. Releasing slightly once full lock is reached reduces unnecessary stress and prolongs component life. Fuel quality matters more than many owners admit. Using lower quality fuel forces the engine management system to constantly adjust ignition timing to prevent knock. The car may feel fine, but performance is reduced and long-term combustion cleanliness suffers. Consistently using high-quality fuel keeps injectors, valves, and combustion chambers cleaner. Interior and startup habits matter too. Opening doors, adjusting settings, and cycling systems repeatedly during startup interrupts electronic initialization. Over time, this contributes to warning messages, frozen screens, and inconsistent system behavior. If you're finding this useful, subscribe now. Upcoming episodes will break down Porsche warning lights, hidden settings, and fixes you can do yourself without visiting a workshop. The key lesson here is consistency. Porsche engineering rewards smooth, predictable inputs. Abrupt changes and rushed behavior introduce stress across multiple systems at once. One of the most misunderstood aspects of Porsche ownership is electronic behavior. Many drivers assume warning messages and glitches are random, but in reality, daily habits often trigger them. A common mistake is starting the car repeatedly without actually driving it. This usually happens when repositioning the vehicle for short distances. Each start wakes multiple control modules, consumes battery energy, and interrupts system synchronization. Over time, this behavior leads to low-voltage warnings, unstable infotainment behavior, and intermittent error messages. Climate control habits also matter more than expected. Setting maximum heating or cooling immediately after startup places unnecessary strain on the electrical system before it has stabilized. Porsche systems are designed to balance load gradually. Increasing climate demand progressively allows the car to manage energy more efficiently and reduces stress on both the battery and auxiliary systems. Infotainment usage during startup is another overlooked issue. Rapidly switching profiles, sources, and settings while the system is still initializing increases the risk of freezes and temporary glitches. Giving the infotainment system a short moment to fully boot before interacting with it significantly improves long-term stability. Door and trunk usage patterns also affect electronic health. Repeatedly opening and closing doors during startup cycles forces modules to wake and sleep repeatedly. This creates unnecessary power draw and contributes to module desynchronization over time. Simple patience during startup prevents many electronic annoyances Porsche owners experience. Now let's talk about warnings. Porsche warning messages are rarely random. They often appear as early indicators of developing issues. Ignoring them because the car still drives fine allows small problems to grow into expensive repairs. Awareness matters more than panic. Understanding patterns is the key to prevention. Before we continue, if this content is helping you understand how your Porsche actually works, subscribe to the channel. Upcoming episodes will break down warning lights, hidden system logic, and resets you can do yourself without a workshop. The core principle here is consistency. Porsche electronics are designed for predictable routines. Random usage, rushed startups, and repeated short cycles create far more stress than steady daily driving. Transmission and drivetrain longevity in a Porsche depend heavily on daily driving habits. One of the most damaging behaviors is shifting between reverse and drive before the vehicle has fully stopped. This sends shock loads through the transmission and accelerates internal wear. Always coming to a complete stop before changing direction significantly reduces long-term stress. Traffic behavior also plays a role. Creeping forward using throttle instead of controlled braking causes repeated clutch engagement cycles, especially in PDK-equipped vehicles. This generates unnecessary heat and accelerates clutch wear. Smooth, deliberate inputs preserve transmission health and improve driving comfort. Parking habits are another critical factor. On slopes, many drivers shift into park without first engaging the parking brake. This places the entire vehicle load on the transmission's parking mechanism. Over time, this causes excessive stress and wear. The correct habit is simple. Apply the parking brake first, then shift into park. This single change dramatically reduces strain on transmission components. Engine shutdown behavior affects more than just the engine. Abrupt shutdown after spirited driving traps heat not only in the engine, but also in the transmission and surrounding components. Allowing a brief cool-down period stabilizes temperatures and protects internal fluids. This habit is especially important for turbocharged Porsche models. Let's connect everything together. Rushed inputs, inconsistent routines, and ignored early signs all compound over time. Porsche engineering is built around precision and balance. When the driver is smooth and deliberate, every system operates within optimal parameters. If you want your Porsche to feel tight, responsive, and reliable for years longer, subscribe now. This channel focuses on real-world habits that preserve performance without unnecessary repairs. Here's the final kicker of this episode. How you treat your Porsche between drives matters more than how hard you drive it during them. Smooth starts, controlled driving, proper parking habits, and thoughtful shutdowns protect the engine, transmission, and electronics at the same time. In the next episode, we'll dive into Porsche warning lights, which ones you can safely address yourself and which ones should never be ignored.